Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad K Sangma haka kat kendai trik nailar ulapli iaka RURALPRENEUR 25 ba arsni kenti kabala khot long daka prime rural bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA hapo State Central Library Shillong. Hawakran hakajing yalang Menteri Rangba ulapan kenmau ya kajing lenti kejela hakal yang kesengkam sengjam hakini ki news nem baladem bat kumno haus nem arajar khatpra ka sorkar kala sedang ban ai daka khusnam Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship kaba Syllad mala ubnai ban ai kajing itu bat penslur ya ki nongsengkam kenang bakin nang la ban kiu sheprang bat kumno na kani kajing sedang kaberit suki-suki ngila perkhat kumno ban ai jing kershan ka bakham jeliu ula ongru ki babun ki nongsengkam kila pulom lamar baki jing perkhat jongki ki long ki bombyang henry namar baki sangi no ban yai persyang lada pidon ke jingai ke beskem haki rukom perkhat jongpi penyak syakmat ngindon rengkat bat pi ula benram da ke pynpaw ya ke jingdon kam ban yo ya ke jing kershan na ke imlang saklang ula kenturu iki school company bat yaki tenat sorkar bakin kershan yaki kam khayi ki badan haki shnong ki thau da ka bathit yaki mar ki mata ki baki penmi mentau snem ngakwa ban pentikna bawat ki jing ais ngobha Christmas ki bangala pha syau menteri rang bak du kari bat ki we ki no yalam ki de ki tiar ki balashna bat penmi da ki nongsengkam ki jongi bat ki badon ru haringkat ki khana ula pentikna ngi dang thau ya ka kolshor hakal yang ka sengkam sengjam ka kolshor ban shim ya ki sinjam ki barai kot da ka bayo i ya ki jing bat ban shim ya ki kabu khlem da shanya tli tang ha ki kam sorkar ka dei halor ka jing tei ya ka jing long jingman ha ka bakito ki bakwa ban sedang ya ki kam ki jam kin la ban yo ya ka jing kershan ka baki don kam ula ong Menteri Rangba ulapan pauru baka Meghalaya kala bei tengka Haduh palat 6,000 news pak klur hakal yang ki jing sengkam sengjam lingba ki program kum ka prime urban prime rural prime collective CM elevate bat ki program ajing hikai ki jing kershan ya ki SHG kala kiu naka laipo klur hasua ka arhajar khatpra syapalat iaka 6,000 klur haringkat ka jing bei tengka haki food processing unit prime hub bat haka bayade bat ki jingte haki tan nong kendong Konrad ulaya ru yaka SELO Foundation kabala trei borba ban kentiu yaki Rural Health Center daka solar energy bat ulapan pau ba khatpra klur lapan yai lingba ka jinga trei lang ka MBMA SELCO ka bakenthop yaka jing airam ka subsidi ka ba 8% na ka SELCO ka grant na ka MBMA bat ka jing no senyang na ka liang ki nongsengkam hakani ka jing yalang la yo ru ka jing kren na Dr. Harish Hande CEO jongka Selco Foundation Sampat Kumar Principal Secretary Dr. Vijay Kumar D belong CEA ka MBMA ka Saloni Verma Executive Director jongka Prime bat Minha Riaz Khan Project Lead jongka Prime Rural nalor kiwe Syuk hakani kasni kala don ru ka jing soy ya ka MOU ka jing pelat ya ka Prime Rural BB Catalog ka jing sam ya ki check syaki nong yo jing mentoy na ka MBMA Selco ka jing ai jing itu ya ki dekhot jong ka Prime bat ki badan benta.
And of course there was this whole internet buzz going on that time and I had just come back from the US and an internet service provider was something that I realized that internet is the future. And so in 1999 like a fool without really going into all the aspects I started the internet business with a 128 kbps line. I don't know how many of you know about internet. So I had a 128 kbps line all the way from Kolkata, from VSNL. Today, every customer uses about 1 MB link, 2 MB link. I had the whole service running for 128 kbps. So that's how bad my decision making at that point was. But by spirit of entrepreneurship, I was so determined and I was so committed and I was so sure my idea is going to work that nothing could stop me. But then there was no ecosystem out here. I came to Shillong, I ran from one bank to another bank. I went from different areas trying to figure out where to get the suppliers, asking anybody to help me. And I used to find myself alone most of the time. And just sitting in that room, I still remember, just thinking, what do I do tomorrow? What do I do tomorrow? And finally, when I managed to set up the business, there were so many challenges. And there was nobody to even ask me, are you okay? Is there something we can do? And even if they couldn't do something, I would have been so happy if somebody had just come and maybe just patted me on my back at that moment and said, you know what, you're doing good thing, just keep going. I'm sure you'll do fine. But even that was not there. Even that kind of ecosystem was not there because people were not used to entrepreneurship, of business being started. So there's no question of a support structure there. Friends, why I'm telling you all this is because these experiences in my life shaped the way I created policies today. Why is entrepreneurship such an important part of my policy and my governance? Is I have been through what all of you have been through. I know the challenges you face. I know the difficulties you go through. I know what small support, just even one support of small financial help can do to just take you through that one day where you're going to break and give up. But then you work one more day to see the next. That's what entrepreneurship is. And that's what every entrepreneur I'm sure goes through. That you are like, that evening you're almost like, I don't think I can do this anymore. I think I'm going to stop this business. I have to close this down. I can't pay salaries. I can't pay my suppliers. Then you keep going the next day. This particular screen behind me, as you can see, has about 200 plus different brands. And these are the brands that have been created through this RURALPRENEUR program. And therefore now these are all different brands. And as you can see, earlier these people did not have this kind of brand, but today these brands have been created. So like this, we are hopeful that we'll be able to create a better identity for the different entrepreneurs, and that will allow them to be able to sell their products in a much better manner.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know, remember once more.